So here we are in room 338. So we've got a family suite. So let's start with the lounge area. So you've got nice TV, very big TV, phone, reading light, a couple of sockets, nice fridge. So just a fridge, no freezer, but they've given us some free water, so that's good. Then you've got your tea and coffee making, all Livvo related. And they've got these over the cups, keep them nice. Even for some reason got a plug socket in there. So this is a secondary bed, and that one I suppose could be as well. So is this where you're sleeping tonight? No. No. Okay, so yeah, this is quite nice. Quite a nice area, isn't it, Bo? And you've got your air conditioning on the wall here.
Yes.
So just in that corner, the aircon unit to do all of your temperatures and fan speed, etc. Because it is quite warm in here, even though it's March.
Yes.
Right, where should we go next?
Let's go to the bed, to the bedroom.
Okay, so you've got a full length mirror here for getting ready, which is good. And you have to put your key card in here like most of the hotels to make the lights and things turn on. And then in here, quite surprising because we've got a TV. So unusually, you don't often get a TV in the bedroom as well. So that's a really good touch. And we've got 2 pillows each, which is nice because I prefer 2 pillows than one. So you've got a place there to put your bag for unpacking. Then in here, you've got some, I think that's a duvet if you want anything a bit warmer. You've got a few hangers, a safe that is free and quite big. Loads and loads of storage on this side. And then let's have a look on the other side. What's there? Lots and lots of storage, isn't there?
Yes, there is.
All right, so you've got another plug socket there. Plug sockets next to each of the beds.
Where shall we go next?
I say we go into the bathroom.
So, what do you think of this?
I think it's actually very good. Nice big sink,
Yeah.
a bath, which is perfect. You like baths, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah. And this is the surprise. It's got a separate shower cubicle.
Daddy,
Yes.
I got an idea.
What's your idea?
I can put in the bath my cute mermaid.
You can. Very good idea. So you've got your hair and body wash in there, which is it looks like a nice one.
Yeah.
And you've got your hair, your hand soap here as well, which is awesome.
Yes.
Hair dryer
Yes.
and little mirror that comes out. So that's also good. But don't get me wrong, it isn't perfect, this place. So if you do look around like certain places, like there's bits falling off here and bits of mould and things around the bottom.
Yes.
Bit of mould around the bottom of the sink here.
Yes. Exactly. I'm there.
And there's just a few little places that if they touched it up, like around the edges here, it wouldn't take them 5 minutes to give it a coat of paint. And this is our balcony. So it's decent size. You've got table and chairs here for 3 people. Somewhere to hang your wet swimming stuff or towels, which is good. The only thing is, that isn't ideal, so that's going to go at some point soon. But the rest of it, not bad at all.